Legendary industrialist Ratan Tata passed away on Wednesday night at the age of 86 at Breach Candy Hospital in Mumbai, leaving behind a remarkable legacy. On Thursday morning, his body was taken from his residence in a hearse adorned with white flowers to the National Centre for Performing Arts (NCPA) in South Mumbai, where the public was invited to pay their respects. Before the hearse departed from Tata's home, a few kilometers away from NCPA, the Mumbai police band honoured him with a ceremonial tune. Crowds from various walks of life gathered outside his residence from early morning to offer their tributes. Among the early visitors was cricket icon Sachin Tendulkar. Tata, credited with transforming the Tata Group into a global powerhouse, will be accorded a state funeral. Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, industrialist Mukesh Ambani and other dignitaries had rushed to the hospital upon hearing of Tata's demise. The Maharashtra government declared a day of mourning with the national flag at half-mast on government buildings. Tata's remains will be kept at the NCPA from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. with the last rites scheduled for later in the day in Worli. Prime Minister Narendra Modi conveyed his condolences to Ratan Tata's brother Noel Tata, highlighting Tata's contributions to business and philanthropy. Modi, in a series of messages, described Tata as a visionary leader and compassionate soul who made significant strides in education, healthcare, sanitation, and animal welfare. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will represent the Government of India at Tata's funeral. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi recognized Tata's visionary leadership, stating, "Ratan Tata was a man with a vision. He has left a lasting mark on both business and philanthropy." Adding his voice to the tributes, AICC Secretary Mansoor Ali Khan described Tata as a true legend who dedicated his life to elevating India on the global stage. He further said Ratan Tata's vision, leadership and commitment to the nation will forever be remembered. His legacy of innovation and kindness will live on for generations. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah also praised Tata, noting his contributions to employing millions and elevating India's business sector on the international stage. The final rites of Ratan Tata will take place later on Thursday, marking the end of an era in Indian industry.